Hello, I'm George Ghazala, and this is my video for I Can Do This, Proof of Ability Assignment for Personality Psychology. So you may be wondering why I put this photo up here next to me. Well, it represents the distribution of languages around the world. Of course, there's many more than displayed here, but these are the most prominent ones. So why did I put this up here? Well, fun fact about me is I speak two languages, Arabic and English, of course. And oftentimes people ask, does your personality change when speaking one or the other? And I thought this might be a fitting topic for our personality psychology class. Now, I never really put too much thought into it whether or not my personality changes. But when I think about it, my personality does change slightly, not to the extreme. But I think it's because language is closely tied to culture, and things that I have noticed that have changed are my body movements or language, my touchiness, what I would say, etc. Not large things, but some simple things that change. And one big thing though is when I speak in one of the two languages is I think in that language. So I think it has broadened my perspective on the world, I'd say, because I would be thinking in two different languages. And one interesting thing that I was reading up on is that they were doing tests that measured the big 5 personality traits, which of course include openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, neuroticism. And we've talked about this in this class, and I've heard it in other classes as well. So, and they tested this on people who were bilingual and how it differed when they took it in one language or the other. And I just thought that was an interesting topic to talk about since it kind of related to our class. And that's all for this video. Thank you.